a quick Sunday video for you. I am happy to announce that at WPPI 2020, which is in a couple weeks from now, Sam Hurd and I will be doing a collective Patreon get-together. So if you're a member of his Patreon or you're a member of my Patreon, you're welcome to come to this event. We will post the day before the event. So the event is actually, it's gonna be coffee, 9 a.m. in the morning on February 25th. So we're gonna post the day before on both of our Patreons to let you know which room to come to. And there's a pretty good chance that you're gonna come to an elevator bank and we're gonna have somebody down there and come up to the room. 9 a.m. February 25th at WPPI. If you are unfamiliar with WPPI, it stands for, I'm gonna guess, Wedding Portrait Photographer International. That's my best guess. I'm pretty certain that that's the thing. I've spoken at it a lot in the past and I've been there probably the past 12 years. I went the first time when it was at Paris and Bally's, and I've kind of seen the entire growth and the changes of the convention. I find that the main benefit to myself, and I feel like the main benefit to everyone else that I've ever spoken to, is not necessarily in the classes. It's cool to go and like buy the pass and go see everybody that you've seen teaching on YouTube. That's great. But I find the main value and the life value that this convention has kind of provided me is just connections with other photographers all around the world. It's really cool that you can go into a room and like have a coffee, for instance, our Patreon coffee get together, and meet a lot of other people that are in the same growing stages of your business. And I find that those friendships really are valuable and create a lot of good life value across all levels of your life. That when you meet somebody and say, for instance, they're in your local area and you come up with this awesome Instagram marketing secret that's booking you lots of weddings, are you gonna share it with 5 other people in your local audience? Maybe 1 or 2, but you're not gonna give it to everybody. But if you are part of this friend group that somebody's in LA and somebody's in Atlanta and you're in Toronto and somebody's in Vancouver, and you stumble upon something amazing in that group conversation, there's a pretty good chance that you're gonna be pretty stoked to tell everybody because it's a non-competitive market. So that is where I found my value, was that one, you create friendships that are great, but then also they have this second level of just like being really good for your business and really just helpful in life. And I find those to be the best friendships. So you can talk about really everything that's going on with your business, because a lot of us are pretty obsessed with our wedding photography businesses. And if you don't know who Sam Hurd is the person that actually shot our legal wedding that was a couple of blocks down the road here on a Taco Tuesday. Sam is a phenomenal photographer. Artistically, he is really next level. That if you're not following on Instagram, go check him out right now. And he's a really good dude and knows more about technology and interesting things than I have even scratched the surface at. So join his Patreon and join my Patreon, and then come to the group. You only have to be members of one of the Patreons to get in. Remember that the post for the room number is gonna go up on our Patreons the day before the event, because we don't know what room it's gonna be in, but we'll find out all together. The other cool thing this week is that all of my daily vlogs, they start tomorrow and they go for 14 days. I'm doing Monday to Friday. I'm taking Saturday and Sunday off from posting, but new daily vlog going up every single day for 14 days of weekdays, so kind of almost 3 weeks of actual time. You get it. Turn the bell on if you want to be notified when those happen. Also, I've just been informed that Miguel Quilas, who is a Sony artisan and ambassador, may also join us and Manny Ortiz too. Yes, I am. I'll be there with Jess. It's gonna be a fun time. Come hang out.